You're shopping online. Harmless, right? Just browsing. But the moment you pause for 3 seconds, everything changes. 3 seconds. That's all it takes. Your cursor hovers over that product, and you just activated a silent alarm across the internet. Companies you've never heard of start bidding on you. In milliseconds, your intent score just became a product, and you're not getting a cut. You scroll down. You hesitate. You go back up. Every micro movement adds to your score. Hesitation equals in. Now you're tagged. Forever. You'll see that shoe in your Instagram feed, in your email, in your dreams. They made money off your indecision. Your hesitation is a product. Your curiosity is being sold. And you never agreed to any of this. Next time you shop online, remember, they're not waiting for you to click buy. They're profiting the moment you think about it. This is just the beginning. Like if you're scared. Subscribe if you want the whole truth.